I didn't want people to see the gifts. Good morning, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how it is outside. This hoodie, it's stupid.
What's up?
Look at all the snow. I had to come down here last night because Bella needed to go to the bathroom, but I was gonna go help my dad, but he wants to. He's just gonna finish doing the porch, and then once he's done and is able to get the machine out, then he wants me to go outside. This hoodie is not like the one I was wearing yesterday, where it's like comfortable. It's just like this. I ended up changing my sweater because the other one was too like this. But yeah, look at all the snow, you guys. Vente para acá, Bella. What you doing? Bella, no. Stop. Bella, stop. Bella, yeah. She's like, I don't feel nothing. Bella. Oh my God, Bella. You having fun, Mama? Why are you doing that? Girl. Bella. Okay.
You're done. You're done.
We're going inside. You're gonna be too cold. It's not that cold outside. It was actually fun seeing Bella how much fun she was having in the snow with her jacket. Let's see. Oscar and I are gonna go out shopping. I'm gonna finish. I'm trying to see what earrings I'm wearing. Anyway, so we are gonna go to finish some Christmas shopping. Maybe go out to dinner. It's I don't know what time it is right now, like maybe 3. But that's what we're gonna do. I think we might go to the Mall of America because he wants to go get some earrings, and I'll show you guys later. He usually wears the fake gauges. So yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Oscar bought a picture frame. Got some gifts.
El parabrisas es el sucio, ok, no es la cámara, mira. Hey, te vas a hacer famoso. Voltea a ver la cámara, pues.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That's it.
What?
¿Dónde vamos? ¿Al West Side?
Yep. Aquí andamos porque aquí es donde nos trajo la vida. Limonation. Bye.
So Oscar got this new frame, or not a frame, it's a canvas painting. What's up, guys? So I hope you guys had an awesome Saturday. Today the weather wasn't too cold. There's a lot of like sun outside. So as you saw, well, my dad and Oscar were shoveling. I was just out with Bella. She was having a great time. And then we just decided to go to the Mall of America, some shopping. I ended up getting myself like a burger at the food court because I did get hungry. Just something small. Right now it's like around like 7 something. Oh, my lens are so dirty. And we just ordered pizza and wings. We're gonna have a movie night. We did finish Queen of the Flow season 1. We kind of started season 2 yesterday, just the first episode of season 2, but I don't know how I feel about it. So we're not gonna watch that today. We decided to just do Christmas movies. That is pretty much it. Thanks for watching this video today. Hope you guys have a great night. Stay safe, stay warm, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.